Happy birthday, Pastor. Wishing you a day filled with love, joy, and God blessings. Thank you for your guidance and service. Isang malaking gampanin ang isang pastor sa aming buhay. Marapat lang na pasalamatan natin ang ating Panginoon sa kaloob niyang pastor sa amin. Salamat po, Pastor. God bless po.
Pastor, happy birthday po. Sana po marami pang birthday dumating sa buhay niyo. God bless you po, Pastor. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Marami po ako natutunan sa inyo. Sana po mas lalo pang maraming makarinig ng salita ng Diyos na magmumula sa inyo. Once again, happy birthday.
Hi, Pastor. Happy birthday nga pala, Pastor. Maraming salamat sa mga kabutihan na nagagawa niyo sa amin. Sana ay naway pagpalain ka ni Lord sa lahat-lahat ng mga kabutihan mo. Maraming salamat sa lahat-lahat.
Happy birthday, Pastor Edsel! God bless po, Pastor Edsel. Nawa po, pagpapala ng Panginoon ay palaging sumaiyo. Ingatan ka pong palagi ni Lord saan ka man magpunta. Gayon din po ang iyong pamilya. Salamat kay Lord dahil ikaw ang binigay na pastor para sa amin. At nakakatuwa ka po, Pastor Edsel, dahil ang iyong pong mga talent ay nakakagulat. Ang dami po naming natuklasan sa iyong mga talent. Kakaiba ka, all in one, Pastor. God bless, Pastor. Nawa po humaba pa ang buhay mo. Biyaya ni Lord ay palaging sumaiyo. At marami pa pong mabless na hindi po nakakatanggap pa sa Panginoon. Kami, God bless po, Pastor Edsel. Ingat ka po. Bye-bye po.
Happy birthday, Pastor. We are so grateful for your spiritual leadership and the love you pour into our lives. Thank you for your unwavering dedication, humanity, and servant heart which continue to inspire us all. We thank God for your wisdom, your care, and your light, a faithful guide who walks in truth and shines so bright. Happy birthday, Pastor, and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Pastor. We are deeply thankful for your spiritual guidance, your passion, and the way you lead with love. Thank you, Pastor, for teaching us the Word of God and for being a constant source of inspiration. May your year ahead be filled with blessings. Happy birthday, Pastor.
Good day, Pastor. Today, I'm not just to celebrate another year of life, but to honor a life that continues to inspire, guide, and uplift us all, our beloved Pastor. Pastor, your faith, humility, and dedication to God's work have touched so many hearts. You have been more than a spiritual leader. You are a teacher, a counselor, and a friend. Through your words and example, we have learned to walk closer with God and to face life's challenges with courage and hope. On your special day, we thank God for your life, your ministry, and your unwavering love for His people. May the Lord continue to bless you with strength, wisdom, and joy. May He fulfill the desires of your heart and surround you with His abundant grace. Happy birthday, Pastor. We love you and we thank God for you.
Hi po, Pastor. Happy birthday po. And I just wanna say thank you po. Kasi sobrang sipag and matyaga po kayo na every Sunday magwe-worship pa rin po tayo na kahit na umuulan, bumabagyo, hindi po yung nagiging hadlang sa inyo para tigilan yung pag-worship or ipag-cancel muna. Thank you po kasi marami po akong napulot na aral sa mga tinuro nyo. Ang wish ko lang po is tumagal pa po ang buhay nyo. Stay safe and stay healthy po with your family. Sana mas maging mabuting ama at asawa po kayo sa inyong pamilya. Yun lang po.
Hi, Pastor. Happy birthday po sa'yo. Sana po ma-enjoy nyo po itong araw po nyo po na ito to the fullest po with your family and with God po. And hopefully lahat po ng mga wishes nyo po sa sarili nyo po, sa mga family nyo po, sa church po, sana po is lahat is matupad by God's grace po. And hopefully, Pastor, marami pa po tayong celebrate na birthday nyo po, Pastor, with a good health. And sana po, Pastor, marami po, mas lalo pa po tayong dumami po sa church po, Pastor. Alam ko isa po yun sa mga wishes nyo po, and I know God will make it come true po, Pastor. Ayun lang po. Happy birthday po sa iyo, Pastor. Enjoy your day lang po with your family po, Pastor. Bye-bye. Happy birthday! Hi, Pastor. Happy Pastor's Month po, Pastor. Actually po, I have a lot of words to say po about you po, Pastor. But, isa lang po masasabi ko. I'm very grateful po dahil napunta po ako sa church niyo po, Pastor. Not just na nagustuhan ko yung music, Pastor, yung environment, pero nagustuhan ko po talaga yung preaching niyo, Pastor, yung mga pwede kong matutunan pa po, Pastor, at pwede ko pa pong palaguin, Pastor. Marami pa akong natutunan po na maisa sa buhay ko po, Pastor. Sobrang nabago niyo po buhay ko, Pastor. Sobrang saya po after nang mapunta po ako sa church. Pero marami akong kailangan baguhin pa po, Pastor, at kailangan pagbutuhin pa po. Pero, Pastor, yun. I'm very delightful po and thankful po talaga sa iyo, Pastor. Sana marami ka pa pong ma-inspire po, Pastor, na sumama pa po sa church natin. Marami pa po tayong masabihan ng the word of God po, Pastor. Yung wisdom po nyo, Pastor, sobrang wala po ma-apprehend na salita po about yun. Pero I know it's all by God's grace po, Pastor. God bless you po, Pastor. Sana po mas lalo pa tayong lumago sa church, mas lalo lang makipag-area natin para marami pa po tayong makakasama ng mga kapatid po natin na pwede po natin na may sama po at mailigtas po. Ayun lang po, Pastor. Bye-bye po, Pastor.
Pastor, happy birthday to you. Many more birthdays to come. Wish po namin sa iyo long life and to your family.
And happy Pastor Appreciation Month.
Once again, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po sa ay maraming pangkain, magandang buhay, at healthy body.
Ayan. Hello po, Pastor. Happy birthday po. And happy Pastor Appreciation Month. Ayan po. So, thank you so much po sa sacrifice niyo po palagi na makapagturo at makapagbahagi po ng salita ng Diyos para po sa amin, no? Ayan. Thank you so much po. Ingat po kayo palagi, and nawa meron po kayong magandang kalusugan at peace of mind. God bless po. Bye-bye.
Hello po. Gusto ko lang po sanang batiin si Pastor ng happy birthday, and of course, happy Pastor Appreciation Day. Take care po always, Pastor Edsel, and God bless po. Miss you all, GOCF Mom.
Happy birthday, Pastor Pag. God bless po.
Hello po, Pastor. Happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa inyo more birthdays to come, good health, and always take care of yourself po. And nawa po patuloy po kayong gabayan ng ating Panginoon. Salamat po sa buhay nyo. Salamat po sa mga tinuturo nyo po sa amin. Nawa po marami pa po kayong ma-inspired na tao po sa mga pangangaral nyo po. At patuloy po kayong ingatan ng ating Panginoon at ang buong pamilya nyo po. Yun lang po. Happy birthday po and happy Appreciations Month Day po. God bless po. Say bye-bye, Pastor.
Bye, Pastor. Happy birthday po.
Hello po. Nais ko lamang pong batiin kayo ng maligayang kaarawan po, Pastor. Lubos po akong nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang gabay, panalangin at inspirasyon sa aming mananampalataya. Dalangin ko po na patuloy kayong pagpalain ni Lord ng mabuting kalusugan at kagalakan sa inyong ministeryo. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make His face shine on you and be gracious to you. Number 6, verse 24 to 25. Lamang po. God bless po.
Happy birthday po, Pastor. I just want to wish you a good health to your family and your blessings to come pa po, and na ma-enjoy nyo po yung special day nyo po, and naway lagi po kayong gagabayan ni Lord at bigyan ng lakas sa pang-araw-araw. And thank you for all your sacrifice for us and sa church po. Yun lang po, Pastor. Happy birthday po. We love you.
Hi, Pastor Edsel. Happy birthday and happy Pastor Appreciation Month. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and joy. Thank you for your dedication and service to our community. Again, happy birthday and God bless you po.
Happy birthday po, Pastor. Wish you more birthdays to come. Maraming salamat po sa lahat, lalo na po sa pag-guide mo sa aking magna. Maraming salamat po, Pastor. Happy birthday po.
Hey, Pastor Edsel.
Ayan, so happy birthday po, Pastor Edsel. Wishing you more birthdays to come, good health, and may God continue to strengthen you, guide you in your ministry. As Proverbs 9 verse 11 says, "For through wisdom your days will be many, and years will be added to your life." And that God continue to strengthen, uplift you, and for His abundant blessing, abundant favor over your life. So, yun lamang po, Pastor, ha? Once again, happy birthday po ulit. God bless you po.
Hello, Pastor Edsel. Hope your heart feels loved, refreshed, and blessed in all the best ways. Happy birthday, Pastor. The Lord bless you and keep you and give you peace. Happy birthday! Enjoy!